Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. In the cutthroat arena of action cameras, GoPro is poised to unleash its highly anticipated Hero 13. Speculation is rife among enthusiasts, with wish lists and expectations soaring, with rivals like DJI and Insta360 breathing down its neck. GoPro needs to not only address past shortcomings, but also introduce groundbreaking features to retain its crown. Let's dive into the rumored features, potential release date, and the buzz surrounding the GoPro Hero 13. Prepare for a paradigm shift in action photography. The GoPro Hero 13 promises to redefine the landscape with a stunning array of features. Expect jaw-dropping visuals with 8K video recording at 30 feet and an incredible 4K video capture at 120 feet. Every shot will be a masterpiece with an upgraded resolution of up to 27 megapixels, ensuring your photos exude clarity and detail. Seamlessly command your device with voice control, capturing moments effortlessly on the go. GoPro's renowned hyper-smooth stabilization technology is set to evolve once again with the Hero 13 Black. Likely dubbed Hypersmooth 7.0, is expected to build upon the impressive Hypersmooth 6.0, which already boasts auto boost and horizon leveling, even during complete 360-degree rotations. This is made possible by the Linear Plus Horizon Lock digital lens, setting a new benchmark for stability. Amid the AI revolution, Google's Pixel 8 series and Samsung's Galaxy S24 lineup have showcased impressive AI capabilities. GoPro enthusiasts eagerly anticipate similar advancements. The community yearns for significant improvements in low-light performance, a smoother, lag-free interface, and a more intuitive user experience. Rumors of a specialized GoPro Hero 13 for motorcycle riders have surfaced, featuring a unique side or end camera lens configuration for effortless helmet mounting. Following the GP1 and GP2 processors, speculation points to the arrival of the GP3, potentially powering the Hero 13 Black. According to Reddit discussions, GoPro might once again withhold GPS functionality for the Hero 13, reserving it for a potential Hero 13 Plus. This could signify a shift towards a modular approach where users select and pay for additional features like stabilization. The wish list for the GoPro Hero 13 is extensive. Users demand enhanced low-light performance, maintaining the 8:7 aspect ratio and potentially boosting resolution to 8K for greater post-production flexibility. A dash cam feature when tethered to a power source is also desired. A multifunctional mount solution combining fingers, quarter turn, and magnetic mounts would enhance versatility. With the Hero 12 Black priced at $399.99, GoPro adopted a more affordable strategy compared to the Hero 11 Black. This trend is expected to continue with the Hero 13, while speculation points to a September 2024 release in line with GoPro's annual pattern. Official details remain elusive. As anticipation grows, we eagerly await the GoPro Hero 13, promising to redefine action photography and capture every moment in breathtaking detail. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis. What are your expectations for the GoPro Hero 13? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tech updates.